Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I am making a fall Dollar Tree splatter screen wreath. I am so close to 40,000 subscribers on my channel, so if you have not subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate you subscribing. I'd love to hit 40,000. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. For this wreath, you're going to need one of the leaf placemats, and I picked mine up at Hobby Lobby. You're going to need 9 Dollar Tree floral picks. All 9 came from Dollar Tree. You're going to need a cute Hello Fall sign from Dollar Tree. You will need some ribbon with wire for a bow. You will need a splatter screen with the knob, and you'll want to remove the knob, and you could spray paint it if you want to. Some floral stem wire, a zip tie, some pipe cleaners, wire cutter, scissors, hot glue gun, and glue sticks for this wreath. Make sure if you go to Hobby Lobby that you use your 40% off coupon if it's not on sale, and you could screenshot the barcode if you would like. And just remove the knob on your splatter screen. Take your placemat and you're just going to place it over your splatter screen, and you're going to take some floral stem wire and wire your placemat to your splatter screen. I used 4 wires to secure my placemat to the splatter screen, and I'm just using the 20 gauge floral stem wire, and you can pick up floral stem wire at Hobby Lobby, Walmart, Michael's, Dollar Tree, places like that. So just take your wires, thread it through the splatter screen, go to the back, give the wires a few twists, and cut off the extra part of the wires and fold them down. Next, you're going to want to take your Dollar Tree sign and just remove the little stand off of the bottom. And this year it was a little hard for me to pull it off, so I had to go get my husband to pull the wood piece off the bottom of the pumpkin. And it is a little bit rough on the edges when you get it off, but it really doesn't show when you get it on your wreath. Sorry guys, I'm about to lose my voice, so just bear with me. But next you'll want to take some pipe cleaners and glue them to the back of your pumpkin sign. Just be very careful when you're using your hot glue gun. Let the pipe cleaners dry on the back of the sign, and now you're ready to work on your bouquet of your 9 floral picks. Splatter screen wreaths are one of my favorite wreaths to make. They look expensive, but they really don't cost a lot to make, and they're quick to make too. So take your floral picks, start with the taller ones, put them in the back, make sure you fluff your flowers each time, and all of these came from Dollar Tree. If you haven't been to Dollar Tree lately, you might want to go. They're starting to get all their fall decorations in right now. So I just started with the taller ones in the back. After you have your flowers placed like you want, then you're going to want to take a zip tie and zip tie your little bouquet together. In the drop-down box below, I will add a materials list for you, and I will also add, I have done 3 other fall wreaths, and then I've done a cute little fall lantern, so I will link those tutorials for you in the drop-down box too if you have not seen those. But here I'm just taking my zip tie and going to secure it tightly around my flowers. In the comment section below, let me know if you like making splatter screen wreaths or not. These are so simple to make. They don't take any time. So usually it seems like when I upload a splatter screen wreath tutorial, it gets the most views. So let me know if they're one of your favorites to make. Next, I'm just taking the flowers and I'm just going to wire them on the splatter screen. Now I'm just using floral stem wire, but I did add 3 wires total so that my flowers would not move, so that they would stay in place when it's hanging up. I placed my bouquet of fall flowers kind of on the left side of the leaf placemat and just wired them on. And then you'll want to go back and fluff your flowers and kind of shape them. And I put my pumpkin sign on the right side. So you can do it however you want. I'm just giving you some ideas. But you'll just take the pipe cleaners, and you'll want to use the cheap pipe cleaners. You don't want to use the fluffy ones. The fluffy ones are too hard to thread through. So just take your pipe cleaners and thread them through the splatter screen. Make sure you have your sign in place like you want before you cut the pipe cleaners off short. When you're finished with your wreath, you could cover the back with felt or a Dollar Tree placemat so that it does not scratch your wall or door. Next, I'm going to tie a bow. So this is 1.5 inch width ribbon with wire. So I'm just measuring it out into 20-inch strips. So for this bow, you're going to want to cut 6 strips of ribbon at 20 inches. Once you have your ribbon cut, you're just going to take 1 strip of ribbon and you're just going to fold it so that it makes a loop, then pinch it together. Make sure you leave a couple inches below your fingers, and that way it does not pull out when you secure it with your pipe cleaner. So just take your ribbon, make a loop, leave a little extra below your fingers when you pinch it together, and then just add it to your left hand. Same steps all the way through with all 6. Try to make your loops the same size each time, and you'll need a pipe cleaner close by. Once you have all of your loops done, you're going to go right above your fingers and place a pipe cleaner tightly around your ribbon. Make sure you twist the pipe cleaner nice and tight. Next, I'm going to dovetail the ends. Take your ribbon, fold the ribbon in half with the edges to the left side, go to the fold and cut away from the fold, and that makes the pretty V. Now I like to take some tails and put some tails on the left side and some on the right. Now this bow does not have long tails, and I debated about adding some long tails. So in the comments section, let me know if I need to go back and add some long tails to hang down on this wreath. But here I'm just fluffing the loops on my bow. Sometimes it takes a little bit to get the bow shaped like you want, but just be patient. And then I'm adding the bow between the flowers and the pumpkin sign. To hang this wreath up, I just go to the top of the splatter screen, thread a piece of wire through the placemat, through the splatter screen, make a loop with the wire, and just, twist it, and then I use that wire to hang it up on the wall. Before you hang it up, make sure you go back and shape your flowers and fluff the loops on your bow. And that's it, guys. So simple, and it turns out so pretty. So if you make one of these, let me know. I would love to see it. So if you're on Instagram, tag me at Keeping Simple Crafts. I would love to see the wreaths that you make. So make sure you tag me at Keeping It Simple Crafts on Instagram. And if you like this tutorial, please share it. And also, don't forget to subscribe. I would love to hit 40,000 subscribers.